How to email Airbnb support. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy, and in today's video I'll simply show you how you can go ahead and then contact Airbnb support. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now in order to email Airbnb support, it's very simple. If I go ahead and open my browser and then if I search for how do I contact Airbnb support over here, you'll find the first email that says, for general press inquiries, please email us at press-in@airbnb.com. For any other general questions, visit airbnb.com/help. Now keep in mind that this is an email of Airbnb, but it's necessarily not their support email. So if you're trying to contact and get some support in this email, you'll not be able to get a reply. So instead, if I just go to this URL over here, it says contact Airbnb newsroom. For any other general questions, visit airbnb.com/help. And that's exactly what we're looking for. We'll just go to airbnb.com/help. As we do that, you'll be able to see a list of search topics over here depending upon whatever kind of help you want. Or it says we'll start with some questions and get you to the right place. So just select the option called contact us at the bottom. Once you select the option called contact us, it'll ask you to log in. So just go ahead and first log into your account, or you can simply try to go ahead and tap on the help center option. And as you go to the help center, you'll also be able to see a list of various topics over here. But keep in mind that if you're trying to contact them by the previous email which are actually listed, you will not obviously get a reply. The only way to contact them is via the support page, which they have actually left it out and open. That's all it takes to email Airbnb support. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.